Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Great Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about Don't Bother EA. Don't Bother EA we have been using from last couple of months, right? So this is not a new EA, but I am creating an EA, the video on this EA after a month. And let's focus on a couple of features that it has, and then we will move to the account history and other trading things. Okay, so tailored risk settings. You can customize your risk level. There are several risk levels like high risk, medium risk, low risk, significant risk. Risk is based on your equity, or risk is based on your other settings. Actually, there are a couple of other features and couple of other options. Then you can choose any option that suits your personality better. Okay, then if you would like to customize the expert advisor and the settings yourself, then there are a couple of options. You can choose a dynamic lot option, manual lot option, fixed lot option, or whatever. You can also adjust the deposit load based on what your preference is. Then lot control, like that maximum lot size, you can manage that this much lot size, and the EA should not take more than that or something like that, right? You can manage the drawdown. There is a drawdown controller. However, a drawdown it is not something that but yes, there are a drawdown control function that will help you in the risk management better. And there is an advanced level news filter integration in the EA. Okay, and there is an option if you would like to choose the martingale or non-martingale based on your preference. Embrace the grid. That means this EA is using the grid option, grid trading. Okay, and hedging is optional if you would like to choose or not. Okay, if you think that these settings are getting to be very complicated, then better just choose a risk level option and let the EA manage the trades for you based on the market situation and based on your preference. Okay, guys, this account we are using low risk option. Okay, we are using low risk option, and in the previous account that we were running from last like 5 months or more than that, there we were using high risk. Okay, high risk option. So why did we close? We have not closed, but why we stopped that particular account? Because at a very bad moment, the drawdown has gone a little higher, and we don't want that option to recommend it to someone. However, whoever who are using this expert advisor from me, I already told them since the start that please use significant risk level or either the lower risk level. However, that particular account that we were using high risk level. So if we see from October 12, not October 12 actually, it is from October 24 till the last 2 weeks of October, maybe just because of the war situation, because in war situation no one can help, right? EA does not know who started the war, when the war is going to end or anything, right? So anyways, whatever the situation is, but the drawdown has went up to 14.66%, and hence, and it has already been more than 5 months, it's in 5.5 months we were running this account. So we recovered all the things, that is good, but still the people who are looking for lower drawdown, probably they can opt for the significant risk level or the lower risk level. However, in the worst condition, in any EA, whatever EA you use, based on the market situation, if there is something called war situation happened or any kind of pandemic or anything, then you may have to go along with the market. The EA will not stop those war or the kind of disease or maybe the pandemic. So definitely the market, the EA will suffer a bit because of the market, but yes, it is important that how the EA recovers all the previous things. But in those kind of efforts, the drawdown has went to 40.66%. However, we traded for over 5 months, so we are now showing the result on significant risk as well as the low risk. However, we just recently started both, but yes, I will provide you the MyFX link of those two as well, so that you can monitor it and see how it is performing. Okay, so So as I said that we just recently started this one. This was at lower risk. Okay, so we recently started just 10 days back from 13th of November. So there is nothing much to show. This is on lower risk. We made around 10.51 so far, and let's go to the significant risk. So this is when we choose the significant risk. Okay, you can see the trades. Okay, we made around 12.09 so far. So definitely the profitability is low, but yes, that is all we can get with low risk or the significant risk. Even on the high even on the high risk option, what we were running from last 5.5 months, even the drawdown has never increased or went beyond 15%. But yes, that was a bad day, and a couple of days like it went up to 40%. But yes, it recovered. But in the forex market, you cannot stop the war or kind of pandemic or any kind of unwanted or unexpected things that we cannot foresee. Okay, so this is what the thing is. And running trades, just 2 running trades right now. Even on the lower risk also, the running trades are just 2, I think. Even in this case also, there are just 2 running trades right now. Okay, so I will try to create the myfx book link of these 2 accounts, and I will include that in the video description. But it might take me few days because it's just like very fresh account, just 10 days. So 10 days result doesn't matter, is what I think. But yes, it has done very good in the past, and now we are just trying its other options. Okay, so just stay tuned, and if you have any question, you can contact me via email or telegram. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as please subscribe to my telegram channel. There are 2 telegram channels. One is only about the expert advisor that I have uploaded in the YouTube channel. Okay, only about the expert advisor. And there is one channel that is just a common channel for all the information. It is about expert advisor, that is about free education, that is about some free expert advisors also, that is about the paid expert advisor also. So that these 2 channels will give you complete information, and I do not post very frequently. So please join my telegram channel as well. And thanks for watching, guys. And on Thanksgiving, I would like to thank you, all of you, for being my subscribers and viewers so far, and thanks for supporting me so far. And I wish you all the best in your life, and I would like to thank you again. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye.